Nityanandam, welcome back, and I'm here again to share another video about my connection with this deity Hanumanji, Lord Hanuman. See, this photograph is actually taken from the famous epic Ramayana, which showcase Hanuman with his guru, Lord Rama. So you may be aware that Hanuman is an embodiment of amazing yogic bodies which manifest many yogic powers like Ashtamahashaktis. And he is also the embodiment of bhakti to his guru. So his guru is Lord Rama. Now, this video is about my connection with Hanuman because this morning he came to inspire me to do this video. So here it is. Now, my connection with Hanuman started in April 2021, where we, for the first time, celebrated his Jayanti. On the 27th of April 2021, we had a grand celebration by offering puja to him for the very first time. And as you can see from this photograph, this is the puja done after the celebration, and he was very happy. For the first time, we're invoking his presence in Kailasa, Singapore. See, you must understand my connection with Hanuman dated back when I first started to teach in the Paramashihon level 2 as an ordained acharya. And one of the fascinating Apta Pramana, the story that talk about the Hanuman was able to basically shrink his body or expand his body at ease when he manifests the Shakti of Mahima. So in the epic, he basically was about to cross the ocean to Lanka to save Sita. And unfortunately, on his way to cross the ocean, he was met with a demon called Surasa. This Surasa basically swallowed Hanuman, and he basically expanded his form to 90 yojanas, which was so huge that this Surasa was not able to contain him. And then suddenly he just shrunk back to a tiny form and he got out of this whole trapping. So I was really fascinated by this Hanuman's amazing feat in manifesting the Shakti of Mahima, ability to expand into huge form. So in the same year 2022, when I started to attend the next level of Paramashiva Home program, which is Paramashiva Home level 3. And I must tell you, for the very first time, I had darshan of Hanuman. In the program, we are supposed to do 3 hours of Nityananda Yoga. And when I was seated in the posture of Anjani Asana, that posture is basically to visualize Hanumanji. And for the first time, I had darshan of him. I saw Hanuman came to my inner space, my third vision, and I saw his eyes were blinking at me, which sends my kundalini jumping up the entire body. So I could not forget the darshan that I decided to basically draw Hanuman to capture that vision I had when I received his darshan. So here it is. I'm going to show you how Hanuman looked like as I saw him in my third eye vision. Understand, what I do is a black and white version, but the darshan I had was full color. He appeared like a light green skin tone. So here it is. I'm going to pen now, show you how. Yes, this is Hanuman as I saw him when he was giving me the darshan, and I saw his blinking eyes, the compassionate blinking eyes, such devotional eyes. I just was enchanted by those two devotional eyes, soft, very devotional eyes. And so that is the photograph that I wanted to capture from Hanuman's darshan. And recently we just celebrated for the 4th year his Jayanti, and I'm going to now freeze this photograph and play the Hanuman Chalisa so that you can actually receive the benefit of connecting with Hanuman while listening to Hanuman Chalisa. So just enjoy.
वरणो रघुवर विमल जश जोदायक फलचार बुद्धिहीन तनु जानिके सुमिरो पवन कुमार बल बुद्धि विद्या देहु मोहि हरहु कलेश विकार ओम जय हनुमान ज्ञान गुण सागर जय कपीश तिहु लोक उजागर रामदूत तुलित बलधामा अंजनी पुत्र पवन सुत नामा महावीर विक्रम बजरंगी कुमति निवार सुमति के संगी कंचन वरण विराज सुवेशा कानन कुंडल कुंचित केशा हाथ वज्र ध्वजा विराजे कांधे मूंज जने हो साजे शंकर सुवन केशरी नंदन तेज प्रताप महाजगवंदन विद्यावान गुणी अति चातुर राम काज करिवे को आतुर रघुचरित्र सुनिवे को रसिया राम लखन सीता मन बसिया सूक्ष्म रूप धरि सियहि दिखावा विकट रूप धरि लंक जलावा भीम रूप धरि असुर संहारे रामचंद्र के काज सवारे लाय संजीवन लखन जियाए श्री रघुवीर हर्षि उर लाए रघुपति कीर्ति बहुत बधाई तुम मम प्रिय भरत सम भाई सहस बदन तुमरो यश गावे अस कहि श्रीपति कंत लगावे सनकादिक ब्रह्मादि मुनीषा नारद शारद सहित हरीशा यम कुबेर दिक्पाल जहाते कवि कोविद कहि सके कहाते तुम उपकार सुग्रीव ही कीना राम मिलाय राजपद दीना तुम्हारो मंत्र विभीषण माना लंकेश्वर भय सब जग जाना युग सहस्र योजन पर भानो लील्यो ताहि मधुर बल जानो प्रभु मुद्रिका बेली मुख माही जलति लांघि जय अचर चढ़ाही दुर्गम काज जगत के जेते सुगम अनुग्रह तुमरे देते राम दुरारे तुम रखवारे होतन आज्ञा बिन पैसारे सब सुख लहे तुम्हारी शरणा तुम रक्षक काहू को डरना आपल तेज समारो आपे तीनों लोक हाथ के कापे भूत पिशाची निकट नहीं आवे महावीर जब नाम सुनावे नासे रोग हरे सब पीरा, जपत निरंतर हनुमत वीरा। संकट से हनुमान छुड़ावे, मन क्रम वचन ध्यान जो लावे। सब पर राम तपस्वी राजा, तिनके काज सकल तुम साजा। और मनोरथ जो कोई लावे, होहि अमित जीवन फल पावे। चारों युग प्रताप तुम्हारा, है प्रसिद्ध जगत उजियारा। साधु संत के तुम रखवारे, असुर निकंदन राम दुलारे। अष्ट सिद्धि नवनिधि के दाता, असवर दीन जानकी माता। राम रसायन तुम्हारे पासा, सदा रहो रघुपति के दासा। तुम्हारे भजन राम को पावे, जन्म जन्म के दुख बिसरावे। अंत काल रघुपतिपुर जाए, जहाँ जन्म हरि भक्त कहाए। और देवता चित्तन धरई, हनुमत से ही सर्व सुख करई। संकट कटे मिटे सब पीरा, जो सुमिरे हनुमत बलवीरा। जय 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 हनुमान गोसाई, कृपा करहु गुरुदेव की नाई। जो शाद्वार पाठ कर सोई, छूट ही बंद महासुख होई। जो यह पढ़े हनुमान चालीसा, होय सिद्धि साखी गौरीशा। तुलसीदास सदा हरि चेरा, की जय नाथ हृदय महादेरा। ओम राम 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 राम। ओम